What's up, everybody? Happy New Year. Welcome to 2022. But more importantly, welcome to Bag Talk, where we translate wealth.
Absolutely, man. This is our first ever episode, so we appreciate everyone right now who's tuning in and watching us. Thank you so much. Since you guys are watching us, please stick around to the end because we got a small little surprise for you guys we're going to introduce. But before we get into all that and the detail of this video, we want to introduce ourselves. So I am the co-host of Bag Talk, Hanu, and this is the other co-host,
Tyrell. We're both 26 years old, and we are from the greatest state in the whole country, New York.
Absolutely,
the infamous New York. But you know what brought us together, because we've been friends for over 12 years. And what brought us together is this basketball right next to me right now. And with this basketball right here, I used to fry him on the court every single day after school. Every day I would fry him on the court.
This guy's new to YouTube. He's a little nervous. He needs the ball in his hand. Leave high school in the past, bro. That's all it is. This is not about basketball. It's not about high school. It's not about Tyrell lying to y'all about basketball or nothing. This show is about generational wealth, man. Everyone talks about generational wealth. What people don't talk about is those generational decisions that it takes to get that wealth. You feel me? So that's what we're going to talk about today and in the future in the upcoming videos. So make sure y'all tune in. But that's what this is about, man.
Right. Yeah, definitely. All about building generational wealth, and we're gonna help you with that process. That's what this is about. Because we're financial nerds, real life. Like me and him, all we do is talk about finance, investing, ways to build wealth, because this is what we really do.
I hope he was lying. I really did wish he was lying. He's really not. Like it's sad. We be up at 1 o'clock talking about this stuff. 2 o'clock, it don't matter, man.
It's bad, man. It's bad. But then at this point, we're thinking like, okay, we got all this knowledge. It would be selfish to not give this knowledge back. So that's what this is about. We want to make sure that you learn something. We want to provide everybody here with tons of value.
No, absolutely. So the whole thing about value, right? I think is we're not really trying to get you to buy something from us, right? It's not about get rich quick schemes. Buy this from us and you'll get rich in the next 5 months. That's not possible. Anyone who is a financial nerd, like we said we are, right? I think it's obvious that this is not how you get rich. You have to put in time and effort, but that does not mean you have to put 40 years in corporate in that 9-to-5 struggle. You feel me? We both have immigrant parents, right? So we know how it is. Like they put in time, they put in their effort, they put a lot of stuff into it. So it's like, basically, we know that they struggle, so we don't want y'all to struggle. We don't want to struggle ourselves. So if y'all trying to learn how to actually make those generational decisions to get you that generational wealth, make sure y'all tune in and subscribe to us, because this is what it's all about, man.
Nah, for real. Yeah, so like, if you want to buy back your time, you're going to have to be invested in different avenues. For example, right, we're going to teach you guys about how to invest in the stock market. We're talking about long-term investment strategies, short-term investment strategies. We're gonna get into options, futures.
I can't wait for that part.
Man, what we got a lot. We got a lot in store for that. Stay tuned. Even cryptocurrency, we got a whole lot for cryptocurrency. We got guests coming in to speak about that. We're gonna teach. Yeah, I might be saying a little too much. Stick around.
Nah, for real.
Real life. Because cryptocurrency, we know that's a new space.
Absolutely. Space, yeah. And to be honest with you, like everything we're learning and everything we're digesting, we're gonna provide to you guys. So the more we learn about crypto, since it's such a new space, we're gonna have to talk about it with y'all. You know what I'm saying? And something else we're gonna talk about on the channel is gonna be about real estate, right? I know everyone in their 20s is looking to buy real estate. Everyone in their 30s, basically anyone right now is looking to buy real estate. So we're literally gonna go about analyzing deals. Like we have a spreadsheet that we're gonna talk through step by step, so you guys know what to look at, how to buy certain areas. What areas to look at. All that's gonna be in there. Plus, I think he just told y'all we're going to have experts for crypto, but we're also going to have people coming in and spitting out gems for you guys, right? So in the upcoming videos, there are going to be a lot of people that come in, speak with you guys, and you're not going to be able to. I'm going to say it again. They are not going to be able to find this stuff for free on Google or any other platform. You feel me?
Definitely not.
So make sure y'all tuning in. You want to keep on going off the list? Basically, we got a bunch of other stuff.
Well, we're going to be talking about current news because,
absolutely.
As financial nerds, one thing we know is every day in the news, there's something new coming out. Like there's some type of financial news coming out, whether it's a company going public.
Absolutely.
We're talking about CEOs making rash decisions.
Our favorite company changing its name.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Company changing its name. Stay tuned for what that
should
company
we tell
is.
them?
Nah,
That's fair. That's fair.
But
that's definitely fair.
You know, because the thing is, current news could really change the whole trajectory of where your portfolio was going to go.
Absolutely.
So we want to make sure we keep you up to date. And also, we're going to be talking about how to build a credit score of over 800.
What did Jay say again?
Who, Jay?
Yeah, what did Jay-Z say again? It's all about credit, right?
Oh, it's credit. Credit. Y'all know what's up. That's a fact. And then also, we also going to talk about budgeting. Cannot forget budgeting, because how are you going to be an investor if you don't know how much money you have to invest?
I'm not trying to let y'all see my dark side in the first episode, but I hate it when people don't budget, yo. I literally get upset at that stuff. It gets me mad, but that's going to be a big topic that we're going to talk about. Speaking of budgeting, though, we got to talk about taxes as well, right? So You guys know the New Year's here. You guys are probably going to have to do your taxes in the next couple of months. April coming up before y'all know it. So we want to talk about tax strategies you can implement to save you money, right? And also to plan for your future. As you could tell, this is all about the future, those generational decisions we talked about, which also includes your retirement. Right, you're never too young to plan for retirement, y'all. It's something we started to do like 3 years ago, right? And it's, I gotta say, God bless, because it's been a great journey so far, and we want you guys to learn from that, right? It's all a lifestyle mindset that you have to basically implement. So this is something that we're gonna teach you guys, and join us in the journey, because we're not perfect. You feel me? Let's actually talk about that. Let's tell them the reason we started.
And just so you know, because you left off life insurance. We're going to tell you about life insurance. We can talk about all the above, but I just can't forget that, because that's something that people don't talk about enough.
That's a fact. That's true.
We already spoke about generational wealth.
Yeah, you want to leave stuff behind after you're gone too, which we're going to talk about, so I'm not going to spill too much.
Yeah, real life. But if you talk about just even transparency, though, because what you were getting into was the transparency.
Yeah.
That's what makes us different. Because this whole journey right here, this whole bag talk journey, we're taking you on it with us. This is the thing we're doing together. So every move we make, every business move we make, every investment move we make, you're going to be right here with us learning. And we just want to share everything with you, whether we fail or whether we succeed or anything in between. We doing it together.
I think that's the best part, right? I think I don't want to skip over that, right? Like, it's whether we fail as well, because we're not only trying to show you guys the lifestyle of, oh my God, we got this nice car, right? We got this amazing house. Like, people fail, y'all.
It's a lot of cap out there.
You're not gonna get that from us. I promise y'all. Like, we want you guys to call us out on stuff, because everything on this channel you're gonna hear, we promise you, is gonna be researched, right? That's a promise that you could guarantee it. Guarantee. You feel me? Shout out to my boy Chuck, man.
Charles Buckley, the GOAT.
Nah, for real. But speaking of transparency and speaking of that whole volume and, the value that we're trying to give, is this is something that we made for you guys, right? We have 2 different ebooks that we made for y'all. And before you guys start panicking, it's free. You don't need no credit card, no Venmo, no PayPal.
Did you just say it was free?
I said the 4-letter word.
He said the 4-letter word.
Yeah, I said it's free, man. It's free.
Tough.
We got the stock market 101. We got the crypto 101. I know our homegirl right now, Judy's probably yelling right now, because she said, you gotta charge. Your family would say that. My family would say that. You feel me?
Everybody's like, yo, you gotta charge. Y'all put so much work in. We've been working on these ebooks for a while. This is handwritten by us.
And before it's not no regular ebook. Like, I promise you, like, it's not like a 5-page ebook. You know those ebooks that people download? It's like 2 chapters and it's half of the pictures. It's not like that, yo. Word. Like, for real, we put a lot of time into this ebook. It's completely free. Once again, Stock Market 101, Crypto 101. The links are going to be down below for y'all to download.
Game changers, life changers.
Nah, for real. For real. So that's our way of giving back for you guys, right? Also, what you're going to see down below is the links to all our other social media. We got TikTok. Yes, we gave in. We got to get TikTok, man. You feel me? We got Insta. We got, obviously, YouTube. So all the links for our social media are going to be down below for y'all. So make sure you guys follow. Make sure you guys download this ebooks. And let us know, right? Let us know what you guys think about this stuff. We want comments. We want feedback from you guys. So literally, just make sure you follow us. You don't want to miss that one piece of information that could literally change your entire life. You feel me? It all it takes is one piece. You feel me?
Literally, yo. Sometimes it's one line. We'll be listening to certain podcasts we like, or we'll read certain books and that we like, and we're like, yo, that one sentence, I would send it to him. Like, yo, no.
Yo, he's not.
I'll send him one sentence. Like, yo, this right here is a game changer.
Not for real. Like bro, Kobe we're huge Kobe fans. Obviously, we talked about ball, right? You feel me? Man, but he used to say stuff. That one thing stuck with me. Like, every time I wake up in the morning now, I'm like, nah, it's just one thing that he said gets me up. So that's all it takes. You feel me? But let's talk about the last gift, man.
Man, we got another gift for them. I thought Christmas already passed.
Yeah. Happy New Year. You feel me?
All right, you right. New Year gift for y'all.
Flash.
So everybody, we want to reward you for staying to the end. All right. So for all my new listeners, listen. If you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below, but your comment, we want your comment to be. Your comment has to be, what do you want to learn about?
He's a little nervous. I told y'all, my boy's nervous.
Chill. Now, what do you want to learn about? All right. So tell us what you want to learn about the most, because this channel is for you, right? This channel is for you. So tell us what you want to learn about in the comments, and we will be giving out.
Let's tell him, bro.
A Cash App gift.
Yeah,
sounds like
it's going to be for 2 people, by the way. So it's not just one person going to win. 2 people will win. I feel like that's important to know.
Real life. We will contact you for your Cash App. So please like, comment your question, and subscribe.
Absolutely.
Cash App on the way for 2 winners.
Also, if y'all follow us on other accounts, it might be something else we look into. You feel me? It's all about giving back. I know Christmas passed, but Happy New Year, man. But we're going to wrap up this video right now. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. You guys learned some stuff about us. But before we do that, we want you guys to know our schedule, right? So every Wednesday, we will be posting a video.
You said every Wednesday, right?
Every Wednesday.
Okay,
we're
just
checking. We're going to be getting the video, which will also be on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Anchor, all the different things, right? So you're going to have all the links, as I said, in the description below. So every Wednesday, tune in. We know this video is on a Monday. We might have some secrets coming out for y'all, but, stay tuned. But before we wrap up, obviously, we got to say the classic YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe. And our closing, welcome to the new year. Welcome to the journey with Bag Talk, where we translate wealth for y'all, man. All right, catch y'all on Wednesday. Peace.